What's up, guys? What's going on, everybody? How's my TTG crew? Guys, wow. Another crazy day. The action right now in the markets is out of this world. This is now not one, not two, but now 3 monster days in a row to close out what has been an enormous week. And I started the week kind of crappy. Okay, I didn't start the week off well. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday has been just insane. Today, AAME. Guys, I traded AAME multiple times today. On that first trade, 152% gain on a stock. The action and the follow through and the momentum that we are getting right now is nuts. I've said it to you now every night on my live streams. Get your butts in chat. I'm telling you guys, get your butts in chat. I'm telling you, take advantage of this action. This is some of the best action that I've seen in a while. Get your butts in chat. I've been saying it, and every single day we come on the next day, and it turns out to be another big day. Get your butts in chat, guys. I'm telling you, take advantage of this action. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. If this is your very first time here, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications, because on every single one of these lives, I share with you golden nuggets of information. I go over lessons, technical, mental, day trading, swing trading, stocks, options on a daily basis on this YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward. I'm the head trader at True Trading Group. Began my career working for a fund in New York City. They taught me everything it is that I implement in my trading today. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught. Okay? I was taught. I have since simplified that education, and I've created the TTG curriculum that all of my members use and trade off of. And I share with you guys lessons from that education totally free on this live stream on a regular basis. So you want to make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. And of course, smash that like button. Okay. Who here is brand new? If you have never been on a TTG live stream before, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now if this is your very first TTG live stream. Right, we got Jasmine S., Jose, Jared Deek, Frankie Alvarado, Marco 1, Hakan Boberg, Zaid Tamimi, Rick Leaf, Daryl Thompson, Whitley Walla, Game Over, Lynn Wright, Glenn Watson, Fuzi, Howard Robinson, Hoper Life, Sue F. Holter, Lavanya K. Shire, Lorena Arroyo, Jay Davis, Brando, Vic Cap, Mark Price, Harsh, Bernadette, Samuel, Abraham, Arnumi, Louis M., Joe Rahunis, Covenant Alusuwai, BSZ, Soldier 927, Rico King, wow, Rocco S., Kitso Leroux, Zero Cool, Louis Roby, B. Khan, Douglas Silva, Harsh, you got to be kidding me, guys. Ken Piskel, Roman Davis, Larry Hatchef, Preston McDowell, Musiklio. Wow, guys, whoa. That is a lot of first timers. Wow, welcome. All of you, seriously, welcome. My TTG fam, give a big shout out, give a big warm welcome to all of our brand new first time viewers. Man, you guys are in for a treat, man. I'm telling you now, because today was a huge day. And I'm going to go over with you guys on all of my trades today. We're going to recap all my trades today. I was 3 for 4. I had one losing trade. We're going to go over, we're going to recap all of my trades, a huge P&L day to finish out the week, just like we had, guys, these last prior couple of days. Just what a way to finish out the week. It's been insane. And we're going to have a lot of lessons and everything that we're going to talk about that I guarantee these are lessons you're going to be able to take with you and implement in your trading right away. Okay? Right away. All right? But now listen, this is your first time. For those of you that it's your first time here, I wanted to know how many of you was your first time, because I want to show you something. Okay? I'm going to apologize first, then I want to show you guys something amazing. First, the apology. I'm apologizing to you guys for just finding the TTG live stream channel now. I did this last night. Okay? I literally did this last night. But today, it's even crazier. I apologized yesterday because Wednesday and Thursday were huge days. And I was like, man, I'm sorry if you guys just found us, because we've been on fire. And the chat has been absolutely on fire. And TTG is not just myself, by the way. There's other moderators that are in chat. I'm the head trader. There's other moderators that are in chat, professional traders that all have different trading styles, day trading, swing trading, small caps, mid caps, large caps. We're all in there. And we're all right now sporting about an 84% win rate right now in chat, all of us combined. We are red hot right now. And that's why I said this last night. I'm saying it again because today was even crazier. I'm apologizing because if you were a TTG member over the last 3 days, you had the opportunity to make some serious cash just being in chat with us because the trade alerts and everything, the action has been absolutely phenomenal. Okay. We've been on fire. So I'm apologizing. I'm sorry that you guys are just finding us now, but it's better late than never. And I think that this action is going to continue into next week. Now, for showing you guys something amazing, pay attention to the messages that are going to come through on your chat right now, because my TTG fam, if you have made money in TTG within the last 72 hours, I want you to sound off in chat right now, because today was a massive day and was a massive end to the week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, huge gain opportunities. If you are a member of TTG and you guys banked, I want you to sound off in chat right now. Now, for those of you that are not members, okay, for those of you that are not members, this is your first time here, like I said, pay attention to all the members that are commenting here in chat. Okay, there is absolutely no reason why you can't be a part of this. Okay, just $700 today. Glenn, $25,000 this week. Randy, $3,500 just today alone. One hand on the wheel, $900. The clone, $3,500, and $3,100 for the last 3 days. John O'Donnell made $14,000 and lost $14,000 all within the same week. Best week ever for Jackie T. It's my third day trading for PP. Already made $1,000. Jerry made $30,000 this week. Ghostface doubled their $5,000 account. C-Note with a $10,000 week. 4K for Augie. 8K for El Papa. 8K for Trent. 1140 for Neil this week. Olga was 5 for 5. My boy Nas, $26,000 today. Nadeem Hussein, $60,000 week. StockWiz, $5,500. The Frasers, $217 on one trade. John Kerry, $7,300. Guys, Arnold, $900. Janelle, $800. Olga, $8. Look at this. Jason Powell, been here 1 week and first time trading, made over $250. TNX, $400 for the week. Luis, best afternoon, $1,600. Oh, sorry, PP, 1,000, not 100, 1,000. I'm sorry, 1,000. Eli K up 2,800 this week. My boy Breathe Easy, 1,700, almost 18,000 today for my boy Breathe Easy. Amet, 40,000. This is nuts. Lily Trong, 6,000. Wow, man. E. Portsy, I've banked slightly over 50K in 2021 so far. $1,800 day for Marky Mark. Unbelievable. 2K since joining 2 days ago for Mark. That's insane. Mark just joined 2 days ago, has already made 2K. All right, so for some of you that are saying, I didn't see any. If there were some losses in there, I see some of you guys with the losses. Robari, some people got caught in that KRKR today, which was my losing trade today as well. Larry Wolf, 7,700. So for those of you that are saying that you guys lost money this week too, I know I've just been calling out some of the winners. Important to notice. Oh, nice, Antonio. Trading with your son, that's incredible. Shawshank, 12,000. So for those of you, nice TD. KRKR got me, but I made it up. Yeah, KRKR got me too, guys. KRKR got me too. I lost on KRKR today. Neil red on KRKR, but then ended up green on the day. Beautiful. I love it. So for those of you that maybe had some losses today, I see you guys. Don't worry about it. Okay. The action right now is insane. The action right now is insane. And I don't think this action is going anywhere. OGCon down $2,000 for the day. Keep your head up, man. Next week is a new week, brand new day, brand new trade setups, brand new opportunity, brother. The action is phenomenal. Okay. OGCon, stick with it. All right. SDR, I've made 130,000 this month on my own. Very, very stressed out. I think I can do better with you. 130K this month is phenomenal. No losers for me today. My wife even made some money. Nice. Mike, paid half my rent this week. Way to go, Bruce. Best week ever at TTG for Albert. Entire portfolio was up 12%. Nice job. Ooh, Grammar, I like that. There's no such thing as losing. It's either you win or you learn. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Very nice. Good stuff. Really beautiful. Paid for my new car with this week's profits alone for my boy Glenn. That's incredible, Glenn. Great job, man. Trying to find and follow you in Twitter, says Debbie. Debbie, my Twitter handle is at MikeEdward_TTG. My Twitter handle is at MikeEdward_TTG. So go ahead there, guys. Give me a follow there on Twitter. I'm always sharing with you guys trade ideas and trade recaps and general market commentary on Twitter. So go ahead and give me a follow at MikeEdward_TTG. Jeremy Shaw, this is my best week of my trading career. Crush the pot stocks with Wolf and swings with Jay. That's awesome. You guys see what I'm talking about? TTG is a lot more than just me. There's a lot of other moderators. We got the Wolf. That's Jason Spatafora. He's the pot stocks king. He's absolutely tearing those pot stocks to shreds. Members are banking huge on those pot stocks. Jay is one of our swing traders. He specifically swing trades small and mid cap stocks. He's killing it. Then we've got Molman. Molman does swing trading on large caps and with also through means of options on those large caps. You've got Chris Toner, who's another options trader. Guys, we've just got, and then you got Jason Simmons, who's the professor. There's a lot of other moderators that are in chat. And then you've got Glenny, who's got over 30 years of licensed financial experience behind us as well. So we have a lot of different moderators and a lot of different trading types. Yeah, Wolf's a beast. Judah Leone, between Wolf's weed and Mike's small cap, it was my best week ever. Yes, Judy. Yes. Hell yeah, Moo Moo. This is a profit-generating educational platform. I like it. Guys, listen, so for those of you that are brand new, like I said, there's no reason why you guys can't be part of this. We do have a 7-day trial for those of you that are brand new, which will give you access to our dashboard for 7 days. Hey, Mike, I was green every day this week for the first time. P.S. Love the gift. Yes, my boy Chris. OG, bro. OG, my boy Chris. Green every day this week for the first time. That's an accomplishment right there, man. Congrats. Let's make it 2 weeks now. Let's make it 2 weeks. Way to go, OG, my boy Chris. So like I said, guys, for those of you that are brand new or just tuning in, we have a 7-day trial. It gives you access to our dashboard for 7 days, and you get 3 days in our chat room. So you can come and trade with me and the rest of the TGD team live in chat for 3 days. If you sign up today for the trial, you'll be able to come into chat Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today won't count. Okay, the day's already over. So you'll be able to come and chat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday if you guys sign up for the trial right now. It's only $3. It's a one-time payment of $3. There's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no like it automatically becomes a subscription. Nothing like that. Okay, it's just a one-time payment of $3. You guys can go to ttgthree.com to sign up for the trial. Again, that's ttgthree.com. It is a one-time payment of just $3. That is less than a cup of coffee. Okay, that is less than a cup of coffee. The URL is right there at the bottom of your screen. You guys want to take part in the action. And I'm telling you now, I've said it the last 3 nights on my live stream to get your butts in chat. This action is insane. I said it the other night, and now look what happened here today. I said it Wednesday night. Look what happened today. Okay, look what happened today. Honestly, guys, skip the trial. Seriously, skip the trial. Just get your butts in chat, get access to the entire educational curriculum because the action is insane. Forget the trial. Honestly, forget the trial. Seriously, because the action is so crazy right now in these stocks. There's so much momentum and there's so much follow through that if you guys sign up now, go through the educational courses over the weekend. So come Monday, you're ready to trade. Okay, go through the courses. There's a lot of people that are asking. These are real educational courses, guys. There's no fluff. These are no gimmicks. It's a simplified version of the education I received working at a fund in New York City. A membership normally costs you $2,212 for the year, but on this live stream, good until midnight on Sunday, you can get a 39% discount, brings the price all the way down to just $1,337 for the entire year. Use coupon code TTG121. And I'll just ask my TTG members real quick. My TTG members, do you think the membership is worth $1,337? Comment in chat, sound off, my TTG fam. Do you think it is worth the $1,337? Sound off for our new viewers that are watching the live stream right now that may be unfamiliar with True Trading Group or with myself or with the education or with our trading. Let them know because they rely heavily on you. You know, they rely heavily on their peers, and you should rely heavily on your peers. So anyone that's watching this, pay attention to the comments that are coming through in chat right now. Okay. All right. Let me see here, guys, real quick. All right. So like I said, guys, just get right. Honestly, seriously, I was telling you guys about the trial, but man, I mean, listen, you guys can join the trial if you want. All right. You'll get like sample courses. They're trial courses. They're like little like intro courses. But if you guys sign up for the full membership, obviously you get all of the curriculum, everything, beginner courses, advanced courses, you guys get everything. All right. And that'll prepare you best for next week because as long as this action is here, I am pedal to the metal. I am pushing. JE, 11,000 in one day. 15,500 last month on a small account. It was not luck. It took discipline, education, and my family THD. They give you everything to succeed. Member only 7 weeks. That is insane. Has only been a member for 7 weeks. That's insane. That's insane. Way to go, J.E. Blanco. My man. Great job. Really great job. Yeah, guys, like I'm saying, listen to your peers, please. They've been in your exact same shoes. Okay. So again, guys, TTG121, use that coupon code. After Sunday at midnight, the price is going up and it's going to continue to go up every day after that until we're going to move our price up to 2,000 with that discount, but you can get it right now for $1,337 on this live stream. All right. Now we got a lot to talk about. Okay. We've got a lot to talk about. So let's dive in. Let's get right to things here. All right, let's dive right in. Let's go to the charts. I got a lot to talk to you guys about today. We've got AAME, which was my big winner of the day. Okay, 152% gain, then a 45% gain, and then BSQR, a 39% gain. Okay. Nixon says, is it a 3 or 7 day trial? It's a 7-day trial that gets you access to the dashboard for 7 days. So you can see our dashboard and see the tools that are available to you as a member. And you're also going to get 3 sample courses. And so you have 7 days to go through the courses, but you get access to our chat room for 3 days. You can come into our chat room for 3 days. Yes, Bruce Sear says, Mike, that deserves a Macallan today. Yes, it definitely deserves a Macallan. I will definitely be having one later tonight when I go off this live stream. Douglas Silva, can I join this site even though I'm just learning about trading? Absolutely, Douglas. My TTG fam, if you're a member of TTG, how many of you started not knowing anything? Comment in chat right now if you started with True Trading Group not knowing anything. And help answer Douglas's question. So TTG, we have members that have never traded a stock a day in their life. Then we have members that have been doing this for 20, 25 years. We have an asset manager from Australia that manages money for 50 different high net worth individuals. We've got a gentleman that's been a broker from Morgan Stanley for over 20 years. We've got a seasoned trader that's been trading for about 30 years. But then we also have people that have never traded a stock a day in their life, and they signed up for True Trading Group because we've broken our education. The curriculum is completely separated between beginner and foundation courses and advanced courses. Okay, so if you're a beginner, start off with the beginner and foundation courses. If you're advanced and you're already profitable, you're just looking to get better, go right to the advanced. Okay. All right. Cool. Lynn Wright says, is this for people with small accounts who can't enter and exit trades like a day trader? Okay, Lynn Wright, you ready for this? So guys, Lynn Wright, my TGD fam, I need your help again. Lynn Wright says, is this for people with small accounts who can't enter and exit trades like a day trader? How many of my TGD fam started with less than $1,000 in their account? Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you are a TGG member and you started with less than $1,000 in your account, type the number 1 in chat right now. And if you want, comment what you started with as well. Comment what you started with. So Lynn Wright and anyone else that just has a couple $100 and you're looking to get started, pay attention to how many people are commenting in chat right now, because they are living, breathing proof that you can start with just a couple $100. Diane started with 100. Texas 1,000, Trading Mantra 2,500, Erica 1,000, Jeremy, Just Catch My Vibe $800, Thomas Barty $500. Breathe Easy has turned 5K into 132 grand in 6 months. That's insane. Jason $350. Alani turned 1,000 into 6,500. Christina Chong started with 100. We got a couple of big ones. Orange Unofficial, 260 grand. Lance, 250 grand. Christina Chong, $1,000. Zeth, $1,700. Judy started with 1,500. She's up to 32,000. Yes, Judy. I'm sorry, I get so amped. I can't help it, guys. I get excited when my team does well, man. I really do. I get excited. Okay. All right, guys. For those of you that were on my live stream the other night, Judy was the guest that I brought on who just got out of PDT rule. She started with a small account in June. June was when Judy started with a small account, and she is up to 32,000. Up, absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Jake Hoover, Mike, I'm 20 years old, had my first all green week this week and caught big trades with you. Been trading for a month now. Yes. Jake, I love that you're this amped. I love that you're into trading this much at 20 years old. You're going to be so grateful and so thankful. You're going to be so grateful and so thankful, you know, so grateful and so thankful for doing this early. Lydia, don't forget Michael has years and years experience. Trading is not easy. Be realistic. It's very, very true. Lydia, listen, that's very true. But you're seeing them people that are commenting that started out not knowing a thing about trading. I'm being very realistic with what people are mentioning. I'm not telling you what I'm doing. Okay. I'm not telling you guys what I'm doing. But here, Lydia, how about this? My TGD fam, if you were struggling at first and then were able to turn things around and improve and start to make money because of True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat. If you struggled at first and then were able to turn things around, type the number 1 in chat. Lydia, pay attention to how many people are typing the number 1 in chat. Okay? That is because the true difference in trading performance is education. Okay? If you're just going to start trading without knowing what you're doing, you are basically just gambling. Okay, you're just gambling. You're buying something because a coworker told you about it or because you saw somebody on Twitter talking about a stock without having any real clue on why a stock is going to be moving up or down. Once you actually get yourself an education, the probabilities of your success change drastically. You go from basically a 50-50 coin flip of luck of the draw if you're on the right side of a price action, if you don't know what you're doing, to all of a sudden now that probability sways way into your favor, probably up into the 70 percentile range now. Okay. So I am being, we're being very realistic. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You've got to be willing to put in some work. And all the people that you're seeing comment, these people put in the work and the time and have put in the effort to get here. And this is not an overnight thing. It's not easy, but it's very realistic, their success, because they're the ones having it. And they're the ones that are commenting here in chat right now. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to sign up to TGG tonight and then Monday morning you're going to make $1 million. That's not going to happen. But if you're willing to put in the work and some effort, like all of these members have, and go through the courses and attend our study groups and attend our workshops and our webinars and go through all the courses again and again and go through the video library and spend time in chat and ask questions and do all these things, what they're doing, that's how they're able to achieve these goals. That's how Judy's able to go from 1,500 to 32 grand in just a few months. That's how. So it's not easy, but nothing worthwhile ever is. Not easy, but it's very realistic. Oh my God, OCGN's at $7. I can't believe I'm not in this. A lot of my TG fams are in it. Whoo! Oh, I don't like doing this, Chris. I don't like doing this. I'm new here. How is TGG different from Tim Sykes' program? I don't like doing this, guys. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't like doing this. I don't like to talk bad about anybody. Okay. I know there's a lot of other groups out there. There's a lot of other programs out there. You're never going to hear me specifically bash or talk badly on anyone. Okay. I'm not. I've never been a part of any other group. I've never been a part of anyone else's program. I've never taken any of their courses. So I'm not going to talk negatively about anybody. What I can tell you is experiences that my members have shared with me. Bottom line is that we focus on the education. We spend about 12 to 15 hours a day with our members talking about education. Okay. I am not a follow the leader type of environment. It's not, hey guys, I'm buying here, so you buy here. I'm going to sell here, you sell here, and don't ask me questions. My goal is to teach all of you to stand on your own 2 feet and to teach you guys how to fish so that you are actually bringing my attention to stocks that I wasn't necessarily looking at. Okay. That I wasn't necessarily looking at. If any of my TGD members, if you guys have been part of other groups and you want to comment in chat on what makes us different, be my guest, go right ahead. I'm not, but I can't comment on anyone else's group. Okay. What I can tell you is what we do. I don't know what anyone else does, but we provide a professional education. You are learning the same education that I learned when I worked at a fund in New York. That's where I learned how to trade. Okay. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, trading in my mother's basement for 3 years. Okay. I did not figure this out on my own. I was taught. All right. I have to look up and see what OCGN is doing right now because I see all of you are talking about OCGN. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's at $7.40. Wow. Oh my God, I'm not in it. I know a lot of you are. I know a lot of my TGD family members are. Guys, listen, let me just pull it up on the screen real quick. Listen, guys, if you are in OCGN right now and this thing is making this move right now after hours, so we just blew through that level. All right, hold on, guys. Let me just give you guys some guidance real quick. Okay, guys, listen, for those of my TGD members that are in OCGN, hold this into next week. But I want you to take some profits off the table. Your resistance levels that I'm looking at, $8.50, and $10. Major levels. Okay, $10 is major. $8.50 is a minor level. So $8.50 is a minor level, $10 a major level. If this stock gets to those price points while I'm doing this live, you guys take some profits off the table. All right. And then hold on to some, going into the afternoon. I can't believe I called this thing out at $3.40 today in chat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, congrats. Those of you guys that are in it, great job. Wow. Okay. All right, guys. So with that being said, let's get down to business. Those of you that are new, like I said, remember coupon code TTG121. Okay, TTG121. Okay, lock in the 39% discount. Let's get to my trades. Let's go over the lessons I want to talk to you guys about. What? And Shug is a genius. Yes, guys, Shug is a genius. Smartest guy I ever met in my life. He's the best. For those that don't know Shug, that is Adam. There he is. Here he comes. He's coming. Come on, Adam. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Figure it out. You can do it. Yay! There he is. Little. Aww. Guys, that's the man behind the curtain. He makes all these things possible. All right. He's my partner and co-founder of TTG. And he is responsible for making sure that all of our members have the most badass tools and resources at their disposal. TTG is a lot more than just a trade alert service and a chat room, guys. We are a platform that gives you a ton of tools like charting software, simulators, scanners, all that stuff. And Adam's the one that makes all that stuff possible. All right. So let's get into the lessons of the day now, guys. I've got a lot of trades I want to go over with you. So let's take it to the charts, and we're going to start off with my loser. Okay, KR was my loser. It was my first trade of the day, and it was a losing trade. And then it was just Crush City after that. But let's go to KR first, and we'll talk about that one first. All right, we'll talk about this one first. Let me get my trade alerts out so I can give you guys the timestamps. Okay, there we go. Okay. 9:51 a.m. I'm long at $7.80. Okay. So let's talk about this real quick. KR, which was my first trade of the day, guys, like I said. Okay. We get this pop off the open, and the stock halts pretty early. Okay. Stock halts there very early in the day, but I was looking at a specific support level on this stock, okay, right around that $6 area. Okay, so right around this $6 area, you can see we had that prior resistance. Let me go back to the daily chart. You see this prior double top resistance, okay, and then you'll see this previous resistance back in June. So we were gapping above that pre-market, and right off the bell, we pulled in and then shot back and halted. So once this thing does that, I'm looking for an entry down around 6, but off the halt, we ended up extending higher. We halted again. So now coming out of this halt, I'm saying to myself that I like this entry zone, okay, that I'm going to be looking at down in front of 7. I wanted down in front of 7. I had multiple indicators here, trade line, VWAP, and my 23.6 fib level. So coming out of the halt, we had a quick pullback into 750, and 750 held for a moment. I jumped in long at $7.80. Okay, $7.80, and then we push through that halt price. We break up through the high of the day, and we start to extend. And it looked like we were going to start to really break through those highs, and we just got stuffed. We double topped here, pulled all the way back in, broke this down, okay, and then we halted right at 10 a.m. Okay, actually prior to 10 a.m. Okay, we halted right there, right before 10 a.m., about 9:57, 9:58. Okay, we open up out of the halt. Now, when I initially entered this trade, my stop loss was around the 680 area. Why 680? That was this prior halt price. Okay, this prior halt price was 680. Okay, so once we opened up out of that halt, we dropped again right through 680. and I just market ordered myself out of my position at $6. Where are we at? $6.72 at 10:01. Okay. $6.72. This is my first trade of the day, and it was a loss. Okay. In at 780, out at 672. Okay. That's the first trade of the day. Now I'll take you guys on, and then everything just got amazing from that point moving forward. Let me just take a quick check on OCGN. Oh my God. OCGN. That thing is such a beast. Such a beast. All right, so my next trade was AAME. Guys, I absolutely ripped this stock to shreds. Okay? Ripped this stock to shreds. What I want to point out to you guys on AAME, okay? Let's go to the daily chart first. Okay. AAME, what you guys will see here is heavy resistance at $5. You got to go all the way back to 2015 and 2016, and you see all this multiple top resistance at $5. Okay. You guys see all that resistance there at $5, right? So all that resistance there at $5. Now let's go into the 3-minute chart. Let's go back intraday, and I'm going to leave that line there. Okay. Now what do you see? Okay. AAME gets my attention because we broke through the initial morning high with the heaviest volume of the entire day, and then we halted. But now here's that $5 level. This is that $5 level, right? On the daily chart. So we broke through it, huge volume, and then we halted. Once that happened, that's when I came on the mic and I told all my TGD fam, I go, guys, that $5 level is big. We're halted, heaviest volume. I'm like, look for $5 to be support. So now that level, and again, I'll take you guys back to the daily chart to show it to you one more time. Okay, there it is. Okay, see the resistance? There it is. So we broke through that level intraday and halted. Now I'm saying, guys, I'm looking to be a buyer here in front of $5. I came on the microphone. My TGD fam, you guys can verify what I'm saying. Did I or did I not? I came on the microphone while the stock was halted. I said, guys, look for $5 to be support. We've got our VWAP. Our trade line is riding up. I'm like, we broke above that previous resistance level. I'm getting long in front of $5. We came out of the halt. We dropped down, and I jumped in here long, guys, in front of $5. Like I said, long at $5.60 at 9:57 a.m., and the rest is history. This thing exploded. Okay, my first take profit comes off the table there around 660. Okay, 660, my first take profit. My second take profit comes off the table here at 720. Okay, so my next take profit comes off the table there at 720. I took more profit off at 819. You start peeling profits off the table, guys, as the stock continues to extend. Okay, 819. Took another piece off at 778. And now comes the fun part. 1014. Let's see here, guys. Let me go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1014. So now at 1014, $9.90. This is nuts. I'm running out of shares at this point, guys. I'm running out of shares. $9.90. Now I'm down to a very small position. Okay. Now I'm down to a very small position. There's the entry, take. And I broke my position up into little pieces because this stock had so much momentum. You felt it. And I said on the microphone, I go, guys, I'm just going to start dishing shares out as the stock extends. What I want you to notice, okay, we push through and then we halt, right? We halt. Now I'm saying to myself, okay, what are we looking at here now, guys? What are we looking at here now? Now I'm in a real small position, okay? And what do we have? We've got your prior high of the day, okay? I'm going to delete the circle just so you guys don't get confused with the take profits. I'm going to delete the circle, okay? But you have your prior high, lines up your 23.6 fib level, and I've got what else? My trade line. My trade line. Why is the trade line significant? This is the lesson I want you to take from this, to be honest with you guys. The trade line VWAP crossover confirmation gave me the confidence I needed to get back into this trade and catch this extension move because I knew I could rely on the trade line as support. Why? Trade line is this blue line on my screen. This teal blue line is my 9 exponential moving average. Okay, don't go into your platform and search trade line. You're not going to find it. Okay, it's a common term traders call it, but it's my 9 exponential moving average. Okay, what I want you to notice is the increasing volume while the stock was surging higher. Okay, the increasing volume while the stock surged higher. Then we had this pullback. Notice how volume was decreasing when the stock had its pullback. And it pulled back right into your trade line and your VWAP. When the trade line crossed over and above VWAP for the very first time during the day, 2 very important things happened. This is how you confirm a trade line VWAP crossover. 2 things. A quick jump in share price and an increase in volume. Well, we had all of that. There's your increase in share price. And there's your increase in volume. When that happens at the moment that the trade line crosses over VWAP, that confirms the trade line VWAP crossover is in play. Once you get confirmation that it's in play, you can rely on the trade line to become support now going forward. So now once I've got that confirmation, and now we pan this over and the stock is halted, I draw out my Fibonacci retracement levels, and I have 3 indicators that all converge at the same price. 23.6 fib level, previous high of the day. Let me delete this. Previous high of the day, and now my trade line. So when we opened up out of that halt and we pulled back, I added back. I added back right there at $10 even. $10 on the button at 10:21 a.m. at $10. And we just shot right back up to highs. And again, ripping profits off the table. Took a piece off there at 11:40. Took more off at 12:23. And then took more off at 14:10. Oh my God. The high of that candle is 14.24. So I get some off there at 14.10. And then my final take profit, once we pulled back and broke down below that trade line, my final take profit right there at 10.61. Okay, 10.61. So here's my first trade. Technically, you can call it 2. This is the 152% gain. From the initial entry down there around 560 all the way up to the best take profit of 14.10. And I added back to a full-size position down there at $10. This was an absolute monster of a trade. Absolute monster of a trade. Michael Taylor says, what trading platform is that? This is TC2000, okay? I use TC2000 for charting only. You could trade through TC2000 if you want with interactive brokers. I trade with Lightspeed, but I think Lightspeed's charts are horrendous, and that's why I use TC2000. Okay, so this is your first trade on AAME. Okay, this was nuts. This was nuts. My biggest trade of the day by far. Okay, my biggest trade of the day by far. All right. Next, BSQR. Okay, next we have BSQR. Now, BSQR was actually a picture perfect TTG triangle pattern. I'll just walk you guys through that real quick. This is a picture perfect TTG triangle, okay? When a stock breaks through the initial morning high with the heaviest volume of the day, then gives you a pullback in to retest that prior high, and the pullback volume is much lighter, and you also have your VWAP and your trade line indicators lining up there as well to give you added support. This is a picture perfect TTG triangle, and then you get the massive explosion up and out of that triangle with another increase in volume. This is textbook. The TTG triangle, for those of you that are experienced traders, it's just a very specific form of the ABCD pattern when very specific criteria are met. If you're an experienced trader, it's a very specific ABCD pattern that when specific criteria are met, and I've coined it the TTG triangle. It's essentially an A+ setup on the ABCD pattern is essentially what a TTG triangle is. I did not trade this because I was trading AAME at the time. A lot of my members caught this because of the education, and the TTG triangle section on the courses gives you an entire chapter on that alone. Then we have, I caught this little move right here, nothing major. All right, but I just was able to add to my day. And what we had here was a nice little kind of wedge pattern starting to form, a nice little wedge pattern start to form here on this BSQR, holding above VWAP. We were also holding above my trade line, excuse me, not my trade line, my Fibonacci. What? Hold on one second, guys. Guys, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So you've got this wedge pattern. If I take you to a 5-minute chart, you see it even a lot more clearly on that 5-minute chart. So once I see that we're holding this 32 fib level and my VWAP indicator, I came in here and I got long right here inside of this wedge. Okay, I got long right there inside of that wedge at $6.28. Okay, $6.28. We break up and out of the wedge. We extend to make new highs. Now we're starting to head into lunchtime. So, I want to make sure I'm being smart and prudent here, and I'm taking profits off the table. I don't trust lunchtime breakouts. So I took some profit off here at 733. Okay, 733 is the first take profit. Okay. Then we break through the high and extend. I take the bulk of my position off the table at 820. We extended further. I took a number off the table at 875. High of the day is 880. Wow, I didn't realize that. I didn't realize I was 2 cents away from the top tick. And then we failed, pulled this back in, and I got flat here at 690. Okay. So there's that trade. Let me clear this up a little bit so you guys can see this better. So there's that trade. There's the entry. Take on BSQR. So a nice trade, 39%. 39% gain on BSQR. And it was a nice little addition to the day. And again, the reason why I'm so quick taking the profits off the table up here is because we're going into lunchtime, and it's difficult for stocks to break out during lunchtime and give you follow through. A lot of times those breakouts fail, like you see with BSQR, and I don't want to get stuck holding the bag. So that's why I'm taking profits off like that going into lunchtime. Okay. King Caboodle says, so do the classes teaching to trade help, or just having a professional trader guidance, or both make it work better? Both make it work better. Both make it work better. Okay. Getting an actual education, but then also having professional traders to give you guidance is what makes everything come together. My TGD family members, you guys can probably attest to that. All right. Then, guys, I went after AAME one more time and was able to add to this day. Now, this was nothing compared to the first trade, but just adding to my day. Okay, and what we have here is another real nice, beautiful wedge setup. this is a bull flag setup, right? There's your flag pole, and then there's your flag. And I came in here on this AAME, and I got long a tier 1 position at $10.88. Right there, $10.88. I'm long tier 1. For those of you that do not know, tier 1 is just 25% of my desired size. Okay, so if you wanted to buy 1,000 shares, tier 1 would be 250. Okay, and tier 1 is like when you think you see something, you're not quite sure, you want to kind of test the waters a little bit. I went tier 1 because I loved the setup, but I hated the time of day. Remember, we're going into lunchtime. I don't trust those lunchtime breakouts, but this stock had so much juice today. I decided I was going to give it a shot, but I was going to give it a shot with a tier 1. So I went tier 1 at 1088. Once we broke out of the wedge, I added to a full tier 2 position at $12.11. So I'm long tier 1 at 1088. I'm long now full size at 1211 was the add. And we just shot right through highs of the day. And I just start peeling profits off the table again, guys. I just start peeling profits off the table again. Took profits there at 1320. Okay, took profits off at 1320. Took profits off at 1372. Then I started to get cute. And I actually added back to a full-size position right in here. I was getting kind of crazy at this point, guys, because I was just kind of on a roll. Added back at 1365. Took some profit at 1496. This is nuts. Wait, took 1496, then took more profits at 1579. Oh my God. And then I closed out the position at 1305 once we pulled ourselves back down here. So I was very, very active with this trading, guys. I was very active with this, as you guys can see. And this was just me adding to my day, just adding to the day. But the big one, okay, obviously, guys, was earlier in the day, was just that massive move. I mean, from 560 all the way to 14, just insane, absolutely insane, the move that we were able to catch there on AAME. Fresh pizza. Yeah, Pizza Mike's. Anybody have any questions about these trades specifically? Anybody have any questions about these trades? Now's the time to ask. Mike, do you think it's okay to hold OCGN over the weekend? Yes, I do. Take some profit, though. Take some profit, right? It's at 727. Okay, if you guys are long, you're long this from like $4. Okay, you're up like 80% on your position. Hold it. Okay, take some profit off the table and then hold some. Take some profit off the table and then hold some. All right, take some profit off the table and hold some. Okay. Oh God, TD. TD. That's CLOV. I entered CLOV today, guys. In my long portfolio, I'm going to war with Chamath. I like Chamath. I'm a huge fan of Chamath. He's going to war with some short sellers right now on Clove, which is a company that he underwrote. If we can get back over 1350, I think the stock goes right back up into the teens. But this is going to be a battle. You're going to get, there's going to be a lot of shit talking going back and forth between Hindenburg Research and Chamath. And we'll see if the Wall Street Bets community comes to his defense, because he came to their defense with GameStop. And I'm interested to see if people on Wall Street Bets start to talk about CLOV now, because if CLOV is going to be attacked from a short seller, Hindenburg Research, the Wall Street Bets community loves Chamath because he came in there with them and he bought call options, $100,000 worth of call options when the Wall Street Bets community was pushing GameStop. he came in there and went on that side of the trade with them. So I'm interested to see if people on Wall Street Bets start to talk about this now. And I'm wondering if they come to like Chamath's defense and try to squeeze out the short seller on Hindenburg Research. Just something that I'm interested to see if that plays out. I stuffed this in the back of my long-term portfolio, $12.70. It's a healthcare company. They're like health insurance. Think of it like Medicaid or Medicare, but better. All right. It's my long-term portfolio, guys. I plan on holding that for quite some time. Quite some time. I just put it in there today. All right. Do I think KRKR will go back to 7? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No, I do not. I do not think it will go back there. Do I think it's a good idea to hold WWR through the weekend? Yep, I am. I am. What? We don't have what? Guys, come on with the likes. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Come on, guys. Smash that like button. Let me see how much you guys appreciate this. Let me see how much you guys appreciate the time, energy, and effort that goes into these live streams, man. I do this stuff for you. I do this stuff for you guys. How much do I spend to buy stocks long-term each time? Alan, that is completely up to you, brother. That is completely up to you. It's completely irrelevant how much money I put into these stocks long-term, and I have different sizes. You know, I've got 6-figure positions in one individual stock, but then I can also just like, if I'm like, yeah, I'll buy some just to see what happens, I'll put like 5 or 10 grand into it. And I'll just leave it there for several years and see what happens. But my main positions are very large. It depends on the type of long-term investment that you're talking about. Like if it's Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, AMD, my positions in those stocks are huge. But like when I add little positions or smaller stocks, like some individual stocks that I've bought recently, okay, I'll show you guys real quick, just a couple of long-term stocks that I've bought recently. CLOV I bought today at 1270. These are all smaller positions because they're much higher risk. Okay. CLOV I bought recently at 1270. QS I bought recently at 50. I'll go to the daily chart. QS I bought recently at 50. GAN I bought recently at 19, like 1960. That stock up at all-time highs today. Okay, GAN at $28. I bought it at 19 and change. These are recent additions. CLDR is another one, recent addition that I bought around $11. Okay, that stock's now at 17. PSTG is one that I bought around $18. That stock's now at 27. Okay, these are just a couple of stocks that I've just bought. BW, I bought that stock at $5.59. It's now at $6.50. Okay, so these are recent additions in my long-term portfolio. These are recent additions in my long-term portfolio that are smaller size. Okay, these are smaller size. But they are, I'm not gonna put as much money into BW or Clove or GAN as I would Apple. So you can't ask me how much money you should put into a stock long term, guys. That's totally up to you. I don't know your financial situation. It's totally up to you. Okay. All right. Yeah, Badri and OCGN. Yeah, I would hold it if you guys are still in OCGN. I mean, I think you got to hold that into next week. Take profits after hours, be smart about it, but I think you got to hold it going into next week. All right. Good stuff, guys. Really great stuff. So cool. If nobody else has any other questions on the lessons, I want to move on and see how many people that are on the live stream right now that are not a TTG member. If you're not a member, I want you to type TTG in chat right now. Type TTG in chat right now if you are not a member of True Trading Group. I want to see how many newbies we still have on here with us. All right, we got Ed Bulmer, Aiden McLean, Chris C., Brian Powell, Alex Marty, Rahesh Mahajan, Dorito, Dylan, Robert Cates, Roger Spencer, Anthony Rosa, Milad, Lorena Arroyo, Jim Stewart, Jeff Craw, Dawn Erickson, Jeff Horton, Lefty Bowhunter, Kawana Givens, Fan Wild, Whitley Walla. Later, Lance. Have a good weekend, brother. See you on Monday. Pat Invest, Mo Money. Nice. Good, guys. So good. We have a lot of non-TTG members that are joining me here today. Those of you that are typing TTG in chat, what are your goals with trading? Like, what are your goals with trying to learn how to become a profitable trader? What are your goals? Like, just type your goals right in chat for me. I have to sneeze. Sorry. Self-sufficiency, stop working. I want to retire. Be like Mike Edward. Nah, Mike, you want to be better, brother. You want to be better. Yeah, hell yeah, Mo. Side income. Make more money than I can as an RN. Learn how to trade for myself without having to follow the leads of others. Good, Roger. Really good. Financial freedom. I'm retired. I want some additional income. I don't want to be an accountant anymore. I need another rollie. Have some money to give back. Oh, nice, Richie. Good, Richie. I'm glad, brother. Nice. Financial for good, guys. Perfect. These are all wonderful, wonderful. These are great goals. Okay. It's very good to have a motivational goal that's going to drive you to get better and drive you to put in the time, energy, and effort to do this. This is a skill that you take with you for the rest of your life, but it's not something you're going to learn overnight. It takes time and some energy, guys. You got to put some work in to go through the courses, understand the material. If you guys want to really get good at this. So it's important to have that goal that can push and continue to drive you. Okay. Look, I don't have this secret to trading. Okay. There's no special secret that I know and that I'm going to share with you when you guys join up. I can't promise you guys Lambos, mansions, millions of dollars, but if what I can promise you is that if you guys sign up tonight, or I should say, I'm sorry, let me go back. Because we were talking a lot. We were talking about, a lot of people are saying fire your boss and everything. What I'm telling you is that you guys sign up tonight. I can't guarantee you Lambos, mansions, millions of dollars, and you're not going to sign up tonight and fire your boss on Monday. Okay. But what I can do, and what I do guarantee you, is that I will provide you with a professional education, the tools, resources, community, and support needed to give you the absolute best chance for you to achieve all the goals that you just commented here in chat. Normally, a membership to True Trading Group is $2,212 for the year. Okay. However, on this live stream, it's good until Sunday at midnight. You can get a 39% discount, brings the price all the way down to just $1,337 when you use coupon code TTG121. The price will go up after Sunday at midnight and will continue to go up as we work our way up to the $2,000 price point. So lock in that coupon code now and lock in that discounted price before it goes up. Now, some of you might be saying, man, $1,337, that's a lot. That's expensive. I want you to think again. Okay, think again if you think that's a lot of money. Let me explain to you why. When you become a trader, you are becoming the ultimate entrepreneur. All right. Now, I don't know about you guys, but there's not too many places where you can invest 1337 in yourself and then start making money with just a couple $100 after that. So essentially, for less than $2,000, you own your own business as a trader. And guess what? You don't have to do it full time either. You don't have to do it full time either. Okay. How many of my members right now work a full-time job and are making money in True Trading Group? Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. If you are working a full-time job and you're making money with True Trading Group, go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. All of you that just typed TTG, pay attention to how many people are commenting in chat right now. These are all TTG members that work a full-time job, and how they're able to work a full-time job is because we have a mobile app that will allow you guys to download on your iPhone, your Android, put it on your tablet, that will allow you to stay connected to our chat room, even if you're not in front of your computer. This allows you to see our screen share, okay, listen to the audio analysis, because all of our moderators share their screen and are on the microphone talking to you live throughout the course of the day. And then you get real-time push notifications that are sent to you on that mobile app without delay. And that's how you're able to take advantage of the trade alerts while even you are not in front of your computer and you're working a full-time job. TTG is a lot more than just a chat room and a trade alert service. Okay. We are a platform. We take the top premium trading tools and products and we bundle them together as part of your membership. Included in your membership at no additional fee is Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed with Squawk Box feature. This is a news service that is in our chat room that gives you live breaking to the second news alerts directly inside of chat. You will also be able to use the Squawk Box feature, which allows you to turn your speakers on. And instead of reading a news headline as it comes across the wire, you will be able to actually listen to someone read that news out to you out loud. You get quote streams, real-time level 1, full book level 2, and real-time options data as well with your membership on a trade simulator. This is our trade simulator that allows you to trade stocks and options with real-time data and fake money while you practice implementing what you learn in the courses, practice implementing it in on the simulator before you start trading with real money. You also get a trade ideas scanner that shows our members throughout the course of the day stocks that are making a new high, stocks that have unusual volume burst, top gainers. All of this is included at no additional fee. And then you also get Trading Views Pro charting software totally free as well. Okay. This charting software you guys get totally free. There's no additional fee or cost or upsell for any of this. All of this stuff is included when you guys join True Trading Group. You're getting a minimum 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts from a community of traders that's sporting an over 80% win rate right now, which means over 80% of the time that myself or one of our other mods is calling out a trade alert, it is a profitable one. I'm telling you guys, we are on fire right now in chat. Get your butts in chat. You're missing out on tremendous opportunity if you guys are not partaking in what's going on with the markets right now. All right. And there are no upsells for any of our courses either. When you guys, first I've got the trade history here on the screen, guys. So what you guys will also notice is that on our website, we are fully transparent with all of our trading. We keep a trading journal of all of our buys, all of our sells, all of our wins, our losses, all of our break evens. You guys get access to all of our trading history. Okay, so you can track all of our moderators' performance, buys, sells. You guys can see all of it. Okay. You guys can see all of it. All right. We're fully transparent. And like I said, there's no upsells, guys, when it comes to the education and the courses. You're getting a 15-course curriculum that is a simplified version of the educational program that I went through when I worked at a fund. Like I said, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught. We've got beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses, how to trade during a market crash, you name it, we've got it. You have access to it. You don't sign up and then all of a sudden there's these pro or special VIP courses that are going to cost you more money. You get access to every course we have when you join. In addition to the courses, which are in text and video. Do you guys do options, says Cali Cloud? Yes. We do stocks and options every single day in chat. We day trade and swing trade every single day in chat. Okay. So in addition to the courses that are in text and video format, we have a video library with over 100 hours of additional educational video content that is recorded workshops and webinars and live events that myself and the other moderators have conducted covering various trading topics. You have access to this entire video library. Some of the topics are, how to build a $500 account into $25,000, how to trade successfully while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger are just a couple of those workshops that we have in our video library. Now, these events are recorded live. So as a member, you can start to attend these workshops live. We also have a red to green workshop that we do every couple of weeks, which, like I said, listen, the vast majority of our members are doing very well. But there still are some teaching members that are struggling. And for those traders, I say we leave no trader behind. That is why every couple of weeks, myself and the other moderators host a red to green workshop for any of our members, that are still struggling. And we cover specific questions and lessons that our members that are struggling want to know about, or that they have questions about, or that they're struggling with. We leave no trader behind. Okay. So like I said, you guys have access to that entire video library as well as being able to attend all of those events now live. All right. So guys, like I said, the membership to TTG would normally cost you $2,212 for the year. But right now on this live until Sunday at midnight, you can use coupon code TTG121. That gives you a 39% discount and knocks the price all the way down to $13.37. Sunday at midnight, the price goes up. Okay, so lock in this discounted price before it's too late and the price goes up. All right, guys, listen. If you thought the $13.37 is a lot, listen to this. The Benzinga Pro newsfeed, Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for that, $1,188 a year for that with the Squawk Box. It's included for free with your membership. The real-time level 1 and level 2 is $990 a year. It's included with your membership. A trade simulator is $750 for the year. It's included. TradingView's pro charting software, they charge $720 a year for that. It's included with your membership. Guys, those products alone, those 4 products, would cost you $3,648 a year if you got them somewhere else on your own. If you went to those companies and paid for the service on your own. They are all included with your membership. So when you think about, $13.37 sounds like a lot, it's not. It's actually one hell of a deal. And I want you to take advantage of it before the price goes up on Sunday night. Anyone that joins also by Sunday night, I'm going to throw in a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet, totally free. We're going to even cover the shipping. It's my gift to you for joining the fam. It's a perfect tool for you to stay connected on the go. Okay, use that mobile app, do the screen share, log into your broker account, listen to the audio analysis right there from that Amazon Kindle Fire. Totally free. Anyone that signs up by midnight on Sunday with coupon code TTG121 is going to get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. Okay, it's the perfect tool for you guys to stay connected and trade while you're on the go. All right, and I'm going to go one step further. Listen up. Everyone that types TTG in chat, listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. I'm speaking directly to you now. I'm going to show you how much I believe in TTG and in the education that we provide. Okay, I'm going to make you all a deal right now. I'm going to show you how confident I am. If you sign up with coupon code TTG121 by Sunday at midnight, and then if you go through all of our courses, pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attend one of our private study groups, you do those 3 things and do not make back the $1,337 at least once throughout your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I will give you a full refund if you don't make the money back at least once during your membership, if you do those 3 things. That's how confident I am that this can and will work for you if you're willing to just put in a little bit of effort. This education is what made me the trader that I am today. This education is what is allowing and helping my TeachD members to have the success that they're having. You saw all my members commenting on the live stream about their success. It's because of the education. If my members were not doing well, I wouldn't be able to offer you a money-back guarantee. I'd be an idiot to offer you a money-back guarantee if my members weren't doing well. If all my members were losing money, I wouldn't be able to do this. You would all want your money back. You'd all want your money back. That's why I'm able to do this. I'm confident enough to stand behind my word, put my money where my mouth is, and offer you this money back guarantee. That's how much I believe in this, guys. So what do you have to lose now? It's not 1337. I've just guaranteed it for you. It's your goals. That's what you have to lose. It's potentially never achieving the goals that you all typed to me in chat before. Not to mention, I think we're like 75% of the way there for our next giveaway. We're always giving back to our members too. Oh my God, is it 90% now? Oh my God. Wow, it's 90% today. So every time that we get more than, every time we get 300 new members in chat, or in TTG, I should say, we raffle off a Tesla or $30,000 cash. Okay. We're 90% of the way there. Okay. 90% of the way there. All you need to do to be included in that raffle is be a member. That's it. Just be a member and you have a chance to win a Tesla or $30,000. Okay. I think we're probably going to be doing it on Monday, because the market's closed on Monday. So Monday, February 15th is when we will probably be giving away the Tesla. Is when we're going to be giving away the Tesla or $30,000 cash to one lucky TTG member. All right. All you have to do is be a member and your name is automatically included in that raffle. All right. We're always giving back to our members. Like to do cool stuff like that. Okay. So like I said, guys, take advantage. Coupon code TTG121. Lock in that 39% discount before midnight on Sunday. I know it's Super Bowl on Sunday, so you guys want to lock this in now. I know you guys are probably not going to want to be worrying about signing up while you're watching the Super Bowl. So sign up, guys, now. Spend some time tomorrow, okay, going through the courses before you guys all go to your Super Bowl events or whatever it is that you guys are doing for Super Bowl. So lock in this discounted price now so you don't forget Sunday. Okay, I don't want you guys to forget on Sunday. All right. So sign up now with coupon code TTG121. Get that 39% discount. Lock in that $1337 price point before the price goes up. Prices are going up Sunday at midnight. Okay, so use this coupon code. Otherwise, don't forget, we do have that 7-day trial. Okay. Nice. Hell yeah, Bronx Trader. That's what I'm talking about, brother. We'll do it together, my man. So guys, like I said, we do have that 7-day trial too. Don't forget that. Go to ttgthree.com for that 7-day trial. Otherwise, use that coupon code TTG121. Get the discount before Sunday at midnight. Was green today on my first day of 3 days trial. Nice, Vipers. Great job. Great job. All right. So guys, lock in that price before the price goes up. Please do yourself a favor. All right. That's it, guys. And get yourself a free Amazon Kindle Fire as well. All right. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for joining me tonight on this live. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. And, of course, smash that like button. Get your butts in chat. I can't say it again. I've said it every day this week. And every day I come on and I'm like, oh, my God, boom, wow, crazy action. Please, the action is insane. Sign up now. Go through some of the courses. Get yourself ready and get your butts in chat on Monday. I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for joining me.